Good morning, y'all.
Such a pretty baby. You're so pretty. Did you know that? Yeah, you know that.
Smiley butt. Why you not being smiley? Cause daddy not talking no more.
She's watching Swisher lick Leia.
Sweetheart is passed out. She was ready for a nap. She's been up for a couple hours. So I'm gonna fold some laundry.
It's just meow.
I just love this cloth diaper. This one's one of my favorite ones. Don't you think it's cute?
Pretty.
It looks cute.
Got lots of colors on
It's
it.
cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're so cute. You're so pretty. Pretty, pretty girl. You pretty, pretty girl. Yeah. You chunky monkey girl, huh? Yeah. Look at you, big girl. You're so cute. Oh, oh. Yeah. Choo, 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 choo. Are you so happy? Are you so happy? Hey. Dinner time. Oh. Dinner time. Alright. So I've been being slightly lazy today. I should not have been. I've thrown laundry in, and I folded a little bit of it, and otherwise I've just been being lazy. So, and it's already 8 o'clock. Like, it's 8:30 almost. And I've got stuff I need to get done. So we're going to get some stuff done, huh, baby girl? I don't know why I've been so lazy. I'm so frustrated with myself, but at the same time, like, I'm not. I don't know. I don't know how to explain how I feel. Hold on. Let me pick her up, and then we'll get back to this. She is not happy about being in here by herself. So let me get her out of here, and then we'll talk. So, anyways, as I was going to try to say before she was being too mad, I don't know why sometimes I'm lazy. I'm exhausted. Like, I don't know. I'm exhausted. I never knew I could be so exhausted by doing not a whole lot of stuff. But at the same time, it is a lot of stuff. Taking care of a baby is hard work. It's tough. But that's okay. It's worth it. And I am going to start my own business. I've talked about this before. I actually did sign up for the business back in like this November or December, but I never did go through with it. Like I never did pursue it and work on it hard like I should. So from here on out, I am going to start and trying to do better. You want your arm out, babe? There you go. There you go. It's out now. I'm going to try to do better. I need to work on like personal development. I need to do something to work on my personal development. I need to discover my brand. I need to work on myself. So instead of putting time and work into somebody else's business and company, I am going to put my work and time into my own company. We're going to work on it. We're going to try to do better. So I need y'all's help. I need you guys to support me, and I need you guys to hold me accountable, because that's one thing. So I'm watching a video right now, like, on this company, and it's something that the lady, one of the team people posted and stuff. So I'm watching it and discovering that I need to be held accountable. Look at big girl in her swing. She's being mad now. I had her blanket on her and she kicked it off. Don't be so mad. But we're she's gonna swing. I'm gonna make her swing. Even if she cries, I'm gonna make her swing. She can just be mad. And I'm gonna work on trying to fold this laundry and listen to this training video. So, yay. This is how it goes in the swing. I gave her Carver. I gave her Binky, and she's still so mad. So I've been trying to make her do it so she gets less mad. She just doesn't seem to like it too much. I really think it has a lot to do with the fact that she just wants me to hold her. And there's just sometimes that I just can't hold her. I have stuff to do. I've got all of this laundry to fold. So I can't really hold her right now. She'll be okay though. I'm just letting her cry for a while. We'll see. Well, that didn't last long. She's just too mad. She does not like it, does it? Do you? I can't talk. You just don't like it, do you? And I'd rather her not just scream and cry. So she's just sitting here in my lap. But I don't know. I don't know. Gotta get the laundry folded, honey bear. We have to fold the laundry. Yeah, we do. She don't want me to. This is why I get nothing done. Huh. But that's okay. Mommy loves it. But Mommy has stuff we've got to do. Yeah, I know you don't like it. But we have to. Oh. I'm just letting her cry it out. I hate just letting her cry it out, but I need to fold this laundry and I can't get it done, with just holding her, so she'll be okay, I think. That didn't take long.
And then if it's someone, again, that you know.
Look at her hand. She is just out. Alrighty, so I got a little bit of the laundry done, not quite all of it. And now it's already midnight actually, so lots happened. But I am going to wash my little silicone pumps and going to go to bed. I get Amara ready for bed. I gotta get her jammies on her. Well, not her jammies, her diaper and then her swaddle. I don't put her in clothes when I put her in her swaddle now because she gets too hot. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. So we hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And drop some comments down below. Oh, and when you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know when we post our videos. And check out our social media accounts. We'll talk to y'all tomorrow in our next daily vlog. Good night, y'all. Good night, y'all. Good night. Say good night. Good night, Chunky Monkey. Good night, Chunky Monkey. Oh, look at you, so big. So big and so pretty. Good night, baby. Are you so happy? Are you so happy to see Mommy? Yeah? You're so happy. So happy. So happy. Aw, you look so cute. Are you ready to eat and go back to sleep? Yeah? You ready to eat? Oh, you're partying.
Yeah, she's